Alright guys, well, I need to wash this car. It's only been about 8 days since I coated it, but that's good enough for me right now. I'm not going to put any harsh chemicals. I'm going to use the McKee's Sio2 auto wash on it. Basically, it has some SiO2 in the soap. Just kind of layer over the ceramic coating, and then I'm going to finish it with the spray and rinse, which is their Hydro Blue. You can mix that at about 1 to 8. 1 part Hydro Blue, 8 parts water. If you want it stronger, you can go down to 1 to 4, whatever you like. I just want to get this car cleaned up a little bit. It's got a lot of dust on it, and it's time to wash it. Now, it's going to rain later today, so this is not my fault. It says it's going to rain later today. I don't really care about that. I like washing cars, so let's get this wash on, huh? Alright guys, and with the Hydro Blue, I'll mix this at about 8 to 1. You can vary it, you can make it stronger, you can make it more diluted. So about 28 ounces of product in here. I put 3.5 ounces of Hydro Blue and filled the rest up there. That's how I used it. All right, and you guys want to see how the Pure coating is working. Now we have 2 coats of Pure on here from Gyeon, and we have a 3rd coat of Can Coat on the car. And Can Coat is on all the windows as well, but it is layered on top of the 2 coats of Pure. So let's check out the beading. Now guys, for whatever reason, the Can Coat is on the windows and it's not as hydrophobic as on my wife's car. It's still hydrophobic and sheeting off well, but I remember it on my wife's car to really beat up. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. Here we have the wet coat on the wheels, and this stuff just sheets really fast. I like it. It is a great product, good protection. You can see it right there. Nothing wants to stick to it. Just runs right off the wheels. And as you can see, the Gyeon Pure is just amazing. 2 coats followed by the Can Coat topper. Fantastic results. The water just wants to run right off the panels. Love this stuff. Alright guys, we've got the Sio2 Auto Wash and the MJJC foam cannon. Let's do it. so we've washed all the loose gravel and dirt off of this car. We're gonna finish the foam off with one more time of foaming it, and then we're gonna hand wash it, all with the McKee's Sio2 auto wash. Alright guys, we've got the McKee's Hydro Blue here. Now all you do is, after you've made this solution, spray it on a wet vehicle and rinse it off with some high pressure. And you do it really fast. It's going to top over the coating. You could get 3 to 4 months protection out of this. I'm just putting it on because we don't need it on top of this coating. This pure coating that we've done is amazing, but why not? You know, you could use all kinds of different stuff. You could use Cure, you could use whatever Sio2 topper you want. I'm just lazy right now and I want to use this, so I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I had to switch nozzles. That nozzle wasn't working too well. All right, and Hydro Blue is very easy to use. You just spray it on a wet panel. In my case, I'm going 2 panels because it's not very hot. And you rinse it with some high pressure, and that's it. Rinse it really well, and now you are sealed. So it's the fastest way to add protection and super easy. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. We're washing the Tesla today. It's been about 8 days since we coated it with the Gyeon Pure. Alright, we put 2 layers of Pure, 1 layer of can coat. I needed to wash this. I've been letting it sit outside. A lot of dirt and dust floating around in the air lately, and it was just filthy. So we need to use some products. Before I get into these products, I just want to say that the Pure, the 2 layers of Pure topped with can coat is phenomenal, guys. You know, I rinsed the car first just to check out some of the beading and hydrophobics, and they just stand up. Boom, the contact angle is high. The beads roll off. They just push all around. The paint becomes dry if you push the water like you flood it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's awesome. That's a great kit. Get that Pure from Gyeon. Fantastic kit. All right, let's get on with what do we do to help the Pure. So I needed to wash the Pure, the ceramic coating. Well, I decided to use the McKee's products, and I just picked 2 because it's really easy with these 2. So we got the Sio2 Auto Wash. That's a car shampoo with Sio2 in it. I'm gonna layer it onto the Pure. So filled it with the foam cannon, sprayed it on the car, rinsed it off. That gets all the loose dirt and debris off there. Sprayed the rest of it on there out of the foam cannon and did a hand wash. This stuff is phenomenal, guys. The Sio2, it just glides across the paint. You're layering the Sio2 layers on top of the coating. You're preserving the coating even more. Fantastic soap here. And you know, I can't say enough about this one. It smells great. I don't know what is it, a cherry? I'm not sure, but it's red, so I'm thinking cherry. After you've done washed the car, you've rinsed it, it's still wet. You grab your Hydro Blue. Now this is a concentrate that I've already made into a solution, maybe about 3 ounces, somewhere between 3 and 4 ounces of Hydro Blue, and then fill up the bottle, all right? So the car is still wet. You spray the solution you made onto the vehicle, panel by panel, and then you rinse it with some high pressure water. And you do that all the way around the car. You can do the glass, the chrome, the wheels, the paint. It does everything, all right? This is a spray and rinse sealant. You're gonna get 3 or 4 months out of that. Now I put the Pure, I've layered can coat, I've washed with McKee's Sio2 Auto Wash, and I'm layering with Hydro Blue, which has more Sio2 in it, guys. So we're just putting Sio2 layers on top of Sio2 layering, and it's just protecting the coating even more, okay? So the car looks fantastic. The gloss, the shine is great. Really happy with all the products. Gyeon Pure kit, awesome kit right there. Now you could use you could use Cure out of the Pure kit. Cure is another spray, hand applied topper. I was just going a different route today, so I picked the Hydro Blue. Easy products to use, guys. 2 products from McKee's. You can use these whether your car is ceramic coated or not ceramic coated. The Hydro Blue is going to give you protection either way. So 2 easy products from McKee's, Sio2 Auto Wash and Hydro Blue. Try them out, guys. You're going to be happy. That car is happy and I'm happy. If my cars are happy, I'm happy. You know, no dirty cars here, guys. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos.